Neoload offers some kind of a built-in support for Perfecto integration. There is some sort of a plugin that just requires some values, the URL, the credentials, the script name in Perfecto, the device ID, and then Neoload is able to communicate with Perfecto through the HTTP APIs that Perfecto is exposing. So using some basic HTTP requests, different external tools are able to send remote commands to Perfecto, but Neoload does it in much better and simpler way using this plugin. So let's start the script. It takes a while to start. However, once it will start, we will be able to see it in the execution center in Perfecto. You can see in the Perfecto execution center that the script started running inside Perfecto. And once we go to Perfecto, in the external data that Neoload is getting back from Perfecto through the data exchange capabilities of Neoload, we can look at all the data in a graphical, we can visualize graphically the vitals that are provided from Perfecto back to inside Neoload. We can drag the graphs here, and immediately we can see the CPU, for example, memory, or any other monitor. Also, we have timers. We have 5 transactions in this script. We can visualize the time it took for each transaction.